stay, I should be leaving. Hear what I say without even speaking. My compass is off, why did I choose you? I'm just too lost, I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head, I keep it locked away.
Hey my beauties, I'm on my way to go pick up my new aloe vera plant. I decided to get a new plant because the species that I'm using currently doesn't do what I need it to do. So this is me right here at the plant place, the roadside plant place where I normally get my aloe vera from, and I just picked up my aloe vera. I'm going to show you the new plant properly when I get home. So yeah, this is me heading back home now. I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Let go and let me love, let me love again. Let go and let me love.
So this is my newfound aloe vera. This one is kind of weak. Hopefully it starts to get stronger. I just watered it. That's why you can see that water there, but this is it though. This is the species that I want, so hopefully with time it will start to grow properly. And yeah, that's it. This is the other one. Yeah, you guys can see the difference. This one is small, and I've not been watering it well actually. That's why it looks like this, because I've just been so freaking busy. But now that I'm more present at home, I'll be showing it more love. I also just watered it. That's why you can see this water here. This one is just my regular dirty plant, but yeah, this is the newfound love. Hopefully with time I'll take you guys along just to show you the progress with it. And yeah, if you want to get aloe vera, make sure you get this species. This is the one that comes with a lot of gel in it, and the water is so freaking dirty. Anyway, I'll take care of it. This is the species you should get though, this particular one, not this one. This one is going to stress you if you want to use it. So yeah, let's go move on to something else.
Alright my beauties, I just want to show you guys the difference in the aloe vera gel that you get from this species of aloe vera. This is me washing my aloe vera. This is what that's my species that I just got is supposed to grow into if I take good care of it, which I would, God willing, right? This is the amount. Look at how much gel you get from this species. If you've been watching a lot of my videos, you know that the previous type of aloe vera I was using, I used to struggle to even get juice from it. But look at how juicy and just jelly this one. This is my failed attempt at showing you guys how much gel you get from this particular species. But yeah, my point here is if you want to get aloe vera, especially if you've not gotten one before, this is a species you should go for. When you go to your plant shop, let them understand that it's something you want to use on your hair and probably on your skin. They would give you this particular species. This particular species comes with a lot of gel. You guys should just look at how much gel I'm scooping from just like 1/4 of the whole plant, right? This is just 1/4. I just cut a little bit for my hair remoisturization process. I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like after doing this whole remoisturization process. But really, I'm so happy about my discovery of this particular species of aloe vera, and I can't wait for my own plant to grow into this amount, like into this length now. So yeah, this is just me showing you guys. This video is a very short one. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to in my life, and this is the newest addition in my household currently. If you like videos like this, let me know down in the comment section. Just short spontaneous videos such as this, let me know down. Also, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. 1000 subscribers by December 31st, you guys remember, so please do well to subscribe. This is the gel I got from just 1/4 of the whole aloe vera plant. I'm just going to wrap up the remaining and just store it in the fridge against the next time I'm going to use it. You guys, look at how moisturized my hair looks with this aloe vera. This right here is a fantastic discovery, guys. Like, I'm so freaking thankful. I'm going to show you guys a full video of this whole process. This is just a tip of the main video. I just wanted to show you guys how I get to use this my newfound aloe vera. Alright then, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you enjoyed this type of video, let me know down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Can't wait to talk to you in another one. Bye.
Really should live.